Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I share videos on the latest tech and helpful tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Installing a traditional ion exchange water softener without a drain is, fundamentally, not possible for proper long-term operation. The core function of a conventional water softener relies on a process called regeneration, where the resin beads, which have captured hardness minerals like calcium and magnesium, are cleaned and recharged with a concentrated salt solution, or brine. This regeneration cycle is critical for the softener to continue working effectively, and it produces a significant amount of wastewater that absolutely must be discharged. During regeneration, the softener goes through several phases. First, a backwash phase flushes accumulated sediment from the resin bed. Then, a brine draw phase introduces the salty solution to strip the hardness minerals, followed by a slow rinse to push the brine through the resin, and finally, a fast rinse to flush out any remaining brine and compact the resin bed. Each of these phases generates wastewater, often totaling anywhere from 50 to 150 gallons per regeneration cycle, depending on the softener's size and efficiency settings. This discharge water is high in salinity and contains the removed hardness minerals, making it unsuitable for direct disposal into a garden, lawn, or storm drain in many municipalities due to environmental concerns. It must be routed to a sanitary drain system, such as a floor drain, a laundry tub, a utility sink, a dedicated standpipe connected to the plumbing system, or a sump pit that empties into the sanitary sewer. If a direct gravity drain isn't readily available, a common workaround involves installing a small, dedicated condensate pump or utility pump. This type of pump collects the softener's discharge water in a small reservoir and, once a certain level is reached, automatically pumps it under pressure through a small tube to a higher or more distant drain point, like a laundry sink or a standpipe. While this adds an electrical component and another piece of equipment that requires maintenance, it effectively solves the problem of a non-existent or inconvenient gravity drain. However, it's crucial to ensure the pump is rated for the flow and lift required, and that its discharge line is properly secured and routed. Another important distinction to make is with salt-free water conditioners or descalers. These systems do not remove hardness minerals, but instead alter their crystalline structure to prevent them from adhering to surfaces, thus reducing scale buildup. Because they do not regenerate or use salt, they do not produce wastewater and therefore do not require a drain. While these can be an option for scale reduction, it's important to understand they are not true water softeners in the traditional sense and won't provide the slick feel or soap lathering benefits associated with softened water. For those with RVs or specific portable needs, small manual softeners exist that you regenerate by hand, but you still need a way to dispose of the brine water responsibly. Ultimately, for any traditional, automatic water softener to function correctly and legally, a suitable and accessible drain connection is non-negotiable. Whether it's a gravity drain or facilitated by a pump, always consult local plumbing codes and consider hiring a professional plumber to ensure your installation is compliant and efficient. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe for more plumbing insights.